How to remove audio effects in AudioMass. First of all, open your audio project and apply an effect to your audio. If you want to take it back, you can use the undo shortcut by pressing Shift plus Z or by going to the edit menu and selecting undo. This will immediately remove the last effect or action you performed. If you have applied multiple effects and undo no longer works for earlier runs, your best option is to reload the original audio file without any effects. To do that, go to File, then Load from Computer and select your audio file again. Currently, AudioMass doesn't allow removing individual effects separately after they have been applied, so using undo or reloading the file are the only effective options. Once you have removed the effects, go to File, then Export or Download to save your cleaned audio file to your device. This method helps you reset your audio to its original state whenever needed. And that's it. Now you know how to remove audio effects in AudioMass. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more tech tips. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.